Ayan guys, gumagawa siya ng dressing para sa ating amo. Lemon. Ang lemon, 4 pieces. 4 pieces lemon. 4 pieces lemon. And then sugar.
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Half cup.
Huh?
And this one is with aroma. Put the 1 spoon of put in the blender. Yeah, she put the blender. 1 and spoon and then little pepper and then salt.
Para maalis yung
Vinegar na lang.
ah,
Vinegar kasi dalawa sila dyan. And then put
ayan siya guys, magawa ako ng dressing. Pag nag-aaral ko ng ganito, hindi ko nilalagyan ng marami.
black salt, put little salt and then little sugar. Royal only little sugar. And then put together and mix it all. Then yeah, she put together and little sugar, ate. Uy! Lilipad yun.
Hindi ako naglalagay ng sugar dito. Kahit nilalagyan mo,
Ang hindi.
hindi ko nilalagyan.
Ayan. Then after that, all the mixing, she tests if okay or not okay.
Finish.
And then finish. See what happened. She can test if okay or not okay. Now, what is the test? Now
Yummy.
it's nice.
Dagdagan ko.
And then need more little only the mustard. It's becoming this one like a
Thick.
yes, it's becoming thick. And then guys, again, she mixing again. Sa baba. Yan guys. Okay na guys. Bye-bye guys. Finish.
Finish.
Finish guys. Then, she want to see. Open. And then want to see. Okay guys. Bye. Thank you.